Hello everyone! In this video, we're walking through what's new in the final release of MainWP 6. Let's start with what you'll notice right away. MainWP 6 comes with a brand new theme that automatically follows your operating system's light or dark mode. It has better contrast, improved typography, and more consistent spacing across the dashboard. Dense views like updates and managed sites are easier to scan, and everything feels more visually aligned. You can still switch between light and dark instantly using the theme toggle if you prefer a different look. Across the dashboard, we've also refined key workflows and screens. From a redesigned Select Sites experience with cleaner controls and smarter bulk handling, to a more polished add-ons page with smoother license management and clearer installation guidance. Now performance. We've continued refining object caching, database indexing, and how tables initialize. Pages open faster, filtering is more responsive, and bulk actions on plugins and themes no longer reload the entire table after every action. Bulk actions now run in smaller batches in the background, which makes working across large networks much smoother. You can also delete an active plugin directly. MainWP safely deactivates it in the background before completing the delete. Next up, network activity. What used to be site changes is now called network activity. Let's open the MainWP settings to see the full list of events. Here, you can choose exactly which ones to log, grouped into events triggered from the MainWP dashboard and those triggered on child sites. There's also an auto archive option, ranging from 1 month to forever. Now let's switch over to the network activity page. Noisy items like cron events are disabled by default, making the table easier to scan. You'll find filtering options above the table, including event categories and the source of the changes. Now let's look at plugin history. From the Updates page, I'll expand a plugin row and click History. This opens a date group timeline of activity for that plugin. Now let's talk about API improvements. MainWP 6 includes a major REST API upgrade with expanded v2 endpoints and more granular permission controls. You can define what an API key is allowed to do on a much more detailed level, and you can also manage application passwords directly from the dashboard. For anyone integrating MainWP with external tools, this gives you tighter control without complicating the setup. We've also introduced support for the new MainWP, MCP and Abilities API. This allows AI assistants like Claude or tools such as VS Code Copilot to connect to your MainWP dashboard and manage your WordPress network through natural conversation, using a standardized and schema-validated interface built on WordPress's Abilities API. Another new addition is password policy management. You can now enforce password expiration rules directly from the MainWP dashboard. If you manage teams or client sites and want stronger credential hygiene, you can set those rules centrally instead of handling it site by site. Behind the scenes, there are additional refinements and stability updates, but those are the highlights of MainWP 6. From the new default dark theme and performance improvements, to deeper activity tracking, expanded API controls, password policies, version 6 focuses on making day-to-day management clearer and more controlled. For the full technical breakdown, check the written changelog. The link is on screen. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more MainWP walkthroughs.